All right, welcome back. Welcome back. How are we all doing? I hope all is well with you. So I told God that I will be live, let our broadcast, but unfortunately I couldn't finish on time, so my time was choked somehow. I have to quickly record this video, even though it may appear to you, it may come to you late, but please do much as you can to support and like the video, share it to many platforms of your choice. So this morning or this hour, this evening, during your time zone, honestly, I'm recording this late hour Biafran time. So this is almost 10 minutes, 1 minute to 1 a.m., almost 1 a.m. Biafran land. Now, make sure you follow us closely. Why Isocha says something that I would like to share with us. You know, she's bragging that that she love it when we share her video and all that. You should understand that two things are involved in this life. We have positive and negative. Some of you may not understand what I mean by positive or negative. Why is it that this message is why is such that this message is for you direct? I want you to understand the reason why we share, like I myself, why I share your video. I don't own any explanation. I don't own anybody any explanation about why I share your video, why we talk about you. But remember, we have negative and positive in this life. Are we talking about you sharing your video in positive form or negative form? If you are sensible enough, you should understand that. I know you know the answer. That's why you are somehow vibrating. That's why you sometimes you love to argue about it, about everything. You're kind of questioning. We love it when you decide to show this your craziness somehow. It is normal to me, but I don't want to drag you to run more mad. You understand? So you need to ask yourself, what are you doing that people are talking about? Is it good thing or bad thing? You don't bother to ask that question, do you? You don't. All you want to know, all you want to make this look like is about sharing your video. Can I know your voice? So it's just like somebody who is naked or your nude is out and somebody decides to publish it. You are saying, "Oh, thank you so much for letting people know to see my nude." I don't understand why you reason that way. Anyway, let's go to the program. Hear what she said. But before then, please, like I said, do me a favor. Make sure you click on the like button. Very, very important. Very, very important. Listen.
Follow all the criminal zombies on social media. Follow one content creators boys. Everybody doing a great job. A very wonderful, great job. And for your followers, I do go tired. In our phone, not even more. Still. And then I know what I'm telling, putting it. Because none was it all on. Adam happy to see because soon they make my.
You actually think that you are smart. It don't begin at equal now. Okay, nobody want to talk about you. The truth is that this is you indirectly begging for people not to share your video. you want people not to share your video. That's why you said you like it, yeah. Upon your followers, I can't share. Lasuba, nobody control anybody. I don't control anybody, and nobody control me. You understand? And my followers, for example, I don't know if you're talking to me or other people, but my followers are not actually telling me not to. What they're saying is that there's no need, that you are worthless. Do you understand? There's difference between don't share this video and I don't want to hear this woman. She's just she's committing nuisance, meaning that you don't make it, you are valueless. They see it like it's a waste of time talking about what you're saying. But it's always good because since you devote your time to yap nonsense, debunking it is well deserved. Where is that? Debunking it in the sense that the more we debunk it, the more worthless and senseless your comment will appear to be. What you said here about Amazonia is the reason why I'm sharing, not because of this nonsense you said just now. It's because of what you said about Amazonia and what Amazonians did. They're independent. So, and to you don't know what independence is all about, because USB was declared on November 29th. So this is October, November, next month. So a few weeks to go. November 29th, that is the Independent Day. But you do not even wait for that day to come. You're already talking. And I know where you are talking. You want to make it look like people are, giving much expectation where there's nothing. But you are not God, are you? You are not God. So relax your mind. Even though you may have different opinion from what other people have, does not mean that people don't know what to do and what to say. Lasuba, relax your mind. Now let's go to the program and hear what she said. And I have a few things to respond to that. Just a moment. I think we have to get it right. And where is that? Okay, just a moment. Let me start from here. No.
Humble idiot.
Let's start from here.
Thank you. Go back. And I make it on. If Adam is stronger than me, it's very important to carry your madam. Your madam with that identity. About come on the Shianya.
That's not the identity.
About one identity.
You actually, I think what you want to say is national USB national identity cards, right? Which you yourself already have your own, and yet you have that identity card and you called it. You are not saying USB recharge card, and the recharge card, and your data is already there. Okay, for how criminal mind some of you can be, you are there insulting Biafrans, insulting the USB, insulting the system, but you are one of the beneficiaries, even though you are not even a Biafran. By virtue of your marriage, you are a Sudanese. And nobody actually knows if you are from Biafra, though. Because how can you say you're a Biafran? You don't have a town, you don't have a community, you don't have any brother, you don't have a sister. Or the only thing we can hear from you is my daughter, my son, and in France. Nothing more. People need to wake up to understand what this might represent.
Yeah. But everything we expect to share only to Ebekwue. I want to share because they never easy. Acha muka ngozo ala bese. Una tagala mo kenkele. Tagala pam na my mama da hapo na ndo group happy again.
Again.
This is Amazonia, but they are independent.
Okay.
Ngozo ala bugolo fulani commander-in-chief of terrorists. Acha mkono bia hii. This is Amazonia.
Wait, you. Odoga ko na go na France. Ima de ikuku na ku hana like this. Obelentamu amateur to madness. Madness and madness already. I'm kefa how hip hop baba fe. Odoga nke na because I thought you have repented so a few weeks now, for few times now we have not. I don't used to hear Ngozo Rabugolo Fulani, commander-in-chief of terrorists, and now you are back to your track. We in a medigifa. Other Karaku again and is it be again. It be there again. Anyway, let's hear from her storyline so that we can, if I have anything to say, we'll say it.
If I work with a township, Ngozo la bese.
About a township.
Amazonia land.
Okay.
They are independent. 1st of October. Ngozi, Amazonia is not going to support your your abomination declaration. Because I can map here. Now, I recognize the declaration is not possible. A terrorist woman declare Biafra.
Really?
That is thank God.
Okay. You know, I like me if you hold on, relax. I like me if you now. Kai go get declared that Biafra. Some of the roles he played at that time. Because him no open a I don't mean to insult you. Him man I got I no one just I water of even so Lasuba. Oh yeah, kai come on, no go no sometimes about your fault you see maybe na bra. So obra hana na ro na I may chokwa ogo ye go better is boy so just a moment if my buyer again na ke water otu esi declare that criminal this is the club yaketa no kwasi sa asa akere ka ife na the criminal nekwe eba ifu neba na ejigejigi na wa ka declare genti Lasuba oh
yes,
okay.
I call on the president of the Eritrean government.
Imagine the buyer get this in. I don't know if you're able to recognize that voice. So we can play the game again. Or we could make any sense.
Yes.
Imoyi na-etu afọ anyị that time. Ije the wine on Obo. Oke Adadiorama. Imoyi na-ekwu that time. Oka bụ ije the wine. I know yeah, because now just na asa because of your disobedience and your craziness. Because nature can gain a different division and below 5 and 6. In fact, anything that must go to them must pass through you. If you come now, you have to approve it. I'm on the contact of the contact. When changes,
I call on the president of the Eritrean government in exile as well, Mr. Gabiru, please come on stage. Thank you very much.
Guinea.
Okay, let's go back. So let's go back to ABC to maybe we'll take a final. Because like I said, you are just you think you are talking to animal or what? We see remember what you know how the whole thing used to be. And I'll live by the vote. I'll live by the vote.
When I wanted a master comes back, come out. To the charge. I'll live by the vote.
In African so when our leader master comes out, Okakwa declare Biafra again, and PM will come back and go and declare Biafra again. If you show this movement, I don't understand your in any way. I don't blame you. It team pataka jump. It probably team pataka on a different thing altogether. So let me just go back because I think we have missed that part again. No.
Are they at canopy inside?
No, wait.
Your terrorist gang group, if God you terrorize Biafra, you terrorize who?
And amen.
They say, go down. But so they say they are independent. Because all of this, okay, kill it. Van, Mama, they have a group. Yeah.
Now, Lasuba, you need to understand that. You need to understand one thing. Ambassador don't have people like you. That's what I want you to understand. You are talking about ambassador. They don't have Lasuba. They don't have anybody calling their leader a terrorist. They don't have anybody calling their military terrorist. They don't have anybody using their platform demanding the head of these soldiers. So if I'm not you need to understand your bad contribution. You have done more harm than good. You have never for once mean anything meaningful. Instead, email away, if everything I believe I'm to you, I believe you understand what you did or what you are doing. Ambassador in Ebekwue don't have anybody like you at all. With a video on the ambassador person, web platform Kagawa, now body that's a terrorist, now born the ambassador terrorist, now born Maganda India with the one. The ambassador is not in the bush. Ambassador is not in the bush. You claim that the Biafra Liberation Army are not working with the US government, that they are with you. You remember again, you remember that they don't work with them, these people. But Biafra Day, 30th of May, you presented nobody. Nobody. Not even no Genkere. Presented nobody. But yet, just ask yourself a question. What is your contribution so far? Okay? Ask yourself, what is your contribution so far? You cannot just eat your cake and have it. I don't know your problem, but people can see through that.
Now what? That they are land. Because all are busy. And I fear this is Amazonia. Because all are busy. This is Amazonia. Relax.
This woman.
Because
they don't have people like you. They don't have Adadiorama in their midst. They don't have somebody that can yap nonsense and sell their people out in the name of, do you know who I am? Nobody. They don't have any woman like you contacting their commander, telling them what to do. Don't accept this, don't accept that. You forgot your role, right? You don't remember what you have done. Anyway, there's something I want us to pay attention to, because we don't need to, I don't want it to be too long. One thing you need to understand is that I've shared this video before about the person that have issue with another person. The reason is because, in fact, before then, let me remind you something. Just pay attention.
The only thing that the terrorist group only to and the CCR had a boy up to today. Harvesting Biafra work and
life from pit of hell.
The only thing
life from pit of hell.
And nobody is asking our question.
I think Adadiorama. In
Biafra depression. Biafra in danger. Be strong. All right. With Amazonia.
No.
Stop everything.
Okay. Lasuba.
When that Amazonia and daddy no terrorists, Amazonia will withdraw themselves. There's nothing we can make up with them again. This is a great country, the tangent. And the one was supposed.
However, the sabo he will sabo the kage. Sabo differs. Imana anyway grade 1, grade 2. Ngegi ke country get where the kage na get remain the same. Original one eh? How a sabo man of sabo the no. Or made in Abasabo or made in Obomosho sabo. Or imported sabo. Can call sabo can get it mixed up. In case na Nigo, in case in the plus, in case Sudan, meshed together. It's a kind of boss about why that letter is submitted in Finland, Ogiga riot. Oh, that the Ogiga riot in Finland. Letter is submitted. K4 or Yeregia, Kerodelia, K that letter content. The content of that message, that letter is submitted. I forget, you record with yourself. Kedi. If that letter came from Polom Metago Sofa. Okay, man, I will still remember those things. What is going on? I always click on this thing wrongly. I want to just a moment. Why is such a I have to this message. No.
Cabinet and the nonsense ministers, and nobody is asking our question. The person got the Biafra depression, Biafra angel, be strong. All right.
Now,
Amazonia.
This Biafran liberation now. There's something that's one of the things that I want to share here before I end. But I will actually maybe you could make a sabo. Can't you tell you one thing? Yeah, you are just very lucky. That is key poor. Because we almost at that place. I know some Bazonia. Listen, okay.
All right. With Amazonia.
That's true.
Stop everything. Destroy all right, Biafra and Amazonia.
We kill damage. Go. Everybody wait for damage. Can't kill you damage. You already damage that. I just remind you of that letter submitted in Finland. Ogiga riot. What is the content of that letter? Who gave it to you? What was that letter? What is it all about? Are you leading? What is your position in the cabinet that warrant you to submit a letter to finish government?
When that Amazonia and daddy no terrorists, Amazonia will withdraw themselves.
Oh, go up, terrorists have to withdraw now. I will get the chief. They go now, think it twice. Because Ima, as I bato be udo come it's an mad in the book or lose of work and I back again. I can't take a camera now about his work or now was that I care. K came the man measure.
There's nothing we keep make up with them again.
Each platform will go there that it was if you are no longer agitating also until if man number can more PM. Yet every now and then you on your camera and begin to criticize those na can fight.
This is a great confident tangent.
He checked for that no get Mazamicano after his kidnap. Open a PM never chill command kind of pota again show now. But all the chair of good can PM made this in the go and achieve if in a cat to Casina. Oh my kind of PM. It's a local Mazakano pota. Coach would remember to achieve. The African liberation angel in a kuna all the PM continue. na ndị otu ndị US si na ha na-aba underground ji ka mazụ nga napụta ọ bụzi egwu aji na mmadụ ka a na oyere release easily ka we can continue. Common sense is not really common, isn't it? Awe, man, the world did the kagi.
Sabo can never cover you. Oh, when it's all outside the Sabo and inside the Sabo, the worst inside Sabo.
A party among everybody and any get Mama Dabo, you are the only one PM Polo Sabo. Only one. Official one, even you get suspension on here. If you acquire to solidify the Sabo. Equally in a cabinet, but I publicly not quite one Saba. Guinea Gomez cable. I'm gonna end it here. Oh, this sabotage part can much of uno water if here. Then if it was okay though I have shared this one in the morning. I'm not I watch we may have a video of that keep of that watch at beginning to middle mama, but I'm not the those things at any part. You try in my way before mom the mark working in the former for you to call this one art is good. Even though that's on you bring you always misinform people. In a like misinform people. This our brother here. Yeah, I will not play everything because I have played it before.
This guy, hold on. On trust BPM, the same trust that got trust by the same BPM. That's the trust that naturally is no libe easy. So because Anama Kelena TV, this boy need your help. Kai television, this boy need your help. Humble idiot, this boy need your help. Problem of analyze, this boy need your help. To stop the timing, the program will show me automatic. So, when I come, all the group of Ngozo Arabese, can't walk on Kurias no Namaro, can't walk on Kurias no propaganda. It's not propaganda. This one is missing because of naturally protect his Madame Ngozo Arabese. Because natural candy madikwa Basa Madam Ngozo Arabese na criminal terrorist gang group. Ole good. Boy Bubago. Because Doko Biamaya, everyone has all you as a big government. We are
if you believe about them, the awareness is very more. We talk about you can say more this guy. Mono will be burger. And upon my friend, friend, no friend, you know, he's a Biafran just like you. Oti no keta na natural katina na say come back and shout. Sit your way be Adadiorama. How can I hear me? Because obodo ọbụla ga-enwe ndị were kọrịkọ n'isi. Adị ma support Igbo ọchụ. Be you who. Ma n'ime ife ọjọọ a ga-asị n'ime ife ọjọọ Ebekwue mana ọ bụzi nke ịta isi gị ọbara nke na kwafụrụ ọbara fọ. I don't support it. So ya nwa na owu ya na support USB or that support USB, but I feel maybe on ekwugide oge nkere ma ọ na-analyze things the way o just were. Then but always misinformation in our past here. I can do much interested in this part. I want people to pay close attention. I will take it a little bit further. If ever goes in picture, this guy in Afia, one of the friend missionary, okay, is well known on social media. Even Ebekwue program that guy about cash also now call for his head. He got a platform here on a call for the head of this guy. No man can cause which I don't know. We know, and if you pay attention, I believe that the video is not new to you, and this face is not new to you. Okay, why is such this person now? We turn around, no USB army. One of that and the African people, this guy will make video. in the past. If na Alan no was if and no if the guy messing based on the video, you can man. Why is such a way deny this guy totally? Somebody used go on your platform many times. This guy now, he used to get many times and can prove to you that now not the information I mean now. Okay, no, but on how you yes, we all know with you go and okay, get it. Honor with you guys, and I will just a moment. Now, this guy you are seeing on the screen now, this guy you are seeing here, okay, this guy here is the same guy. That guy in the Kuno have the commander and Agiga meet. Let us watch. And came and pay attention. Always share the get about Okute BTV. Yeah, okay, media. Oh, 4 days ago. Cause this guy put on when I reply. There was a place in there on the also Utopa. They also that also cash also and Indo to place a bounty. You see this guy, I think 1 million or 2 million, something like that. The guy put when maybe do reply how. Or not with the USB at all. I have not seen, unless no change to go and keep browser will let me know, but to the best of my knowledge, he is not with the USB. He is not. Let's go. Pay attention.
It's me, why? Long. You know, I'm here to debunk this thing. Yeah, all these people are saying whatever. It's blood. See, look at blood civilian putting a bee in my head, not in my head, in their own head. 5 million. 5 million is too small now. How can you just look at people's life like that? 5 million. Why can't you just make it 30 million or 40 million or 50 million or 100? You can make 100 million. Have you seen someone maybe using a hand and pursue a mad dog before? And they just catch on Kitala. Like, if you ask, why can't you use your hand and carry that person? Just like you know, in a 5 million national, you get 5 million, but you're about to get the leg or I get 5 million. So it's too small, bro. Maybe 30, 40, or 100 or 50 million. Huh? Well, you know how government is now. 5 million is a small money.
Okay, 5 million get place, 5 million.
Or you have to fly inside country now, 5 million naira self. You got to about when's the fee, man? Huh? Even if you could go now to hear whatever. No? If you name Layabola, on the actually to get bill, money, somebody like me, get 100 million, 50 million, highest 30 million. 30 million, like 4-bedroom flats, maybe okay. It's more than 20 million. Even that 30 million. Okay, million charge again, okay. One day, Dike, Ego, Bago. Oh, yeah, one of the areas again, I could take a risk. How can you just take somebody with life, risking somebody's life with 5 million? Say you get a load, 5 people being 25 million. But this you get the money, say 25 million.
So now, this is the same guy that Lasuba is telling you now on with the USB. Now, this and if you doubt, I don't mind for I will do more proof if you want. Wait. How can I claim now USB? Wait. How claim no USB? Whereas it's not. Oh, the guy can have here now.
You can't own your a TikTok on your jelly and at a motor. Which in every target this man at TikTok, yeah, joyous this guy. Get him we are far. Region a TikTok handle of this man. Joy Joe Yapiko Yakedi form a Basara Matakele Jelly Napataya Moto on a Tazigo. None again.
Let's one, understand. So yes, we can record already. Understand, based on what you find very tomorrow. I'll be Imago, go peer Bellum, and Korabi.
Now, my question, this boy. Now, no, I don't want to go do the boy, I don't know more. Keti fe kalagobi. Moriki bami fe kalagobi. What you to do? Keti fe ma. Amadu na jaje nas na we no roba ile koku Biafra. Morogu wagu. Na try na anondo ne ku maka Biafra.
Oh, if I'm
But this guy
it's a man abroad.
Nigeria ne we ne koku Biafra. Nke udati na o machakundo amingozi.
Okay, you see, the one thing I want you to understand, the only thing I want to understand here, because this woman can destroy your brain cells. What happened here is that this guy, this person here, said that this commander and the group snatched his car. And this one, and he know this guy as somebody who always defend the Liberation Army publicly. He contacted this guy and said, "Look at what happened to me. This guy is okay," because he's chatting with some of the commanders. He contacted them and said, "Look at some of the report somebody gave to me and all that." They called him. They said, "Okay, tell the person to come and see them." The owner of the car was afraid. This guy decided to go just to prove to this guy that the Liberation Army are not snatching cars and doing that illegal thing that the people are saying they're doing. But he, on a second thought, he did a video. In that video, he made it clear that he's not going to publish the video. This video will be published after 4 days after his journey. If he did not return, then automatically the video will publish by itself. And you can schedule video. In our you can schedule video. So that's what happened there. And why he started video telling you that the guy, because that commander is now Commander Ngozi. So please think about it. I just want to know how criminal-minded and evil this woman can be. Please let me know what you think about it. I'm going to end it here because the video is getting too long. Take care and see you again. Bye-bye for now.